So anyways, now we have to add some more attributes inside the form. So if you have done any kind of web development before, you know that it requires two more attributes. So the first attribute that a form requires is called action, and the second attribute that it requires is called the method. So what is the action and what is the method? So the action is basically where do you want the website to go when the submit button or the let me in button is pressed. So we want the form to go to our index page. That is, if we close our models.py file, close our admin.py file, and we open up our views.py file and open up our urls.py file, what we want it to do is that whenever we click on the submit button, it should go to our urls.py file, and over here it should again go to this path, that is views.index, and then again it should go to views.py file, and inside this index function we are going to write the code that is going to handle our form. So that is going to be really easy. The first thing we need to do is inside our urls.py file, we need to give it a name. So let's add a comma, and the name can be anything. I'm just gonna call it home because this is our home page. So we're just gonna call it home. And then inside our index.html, we are going to use some HTML tags, HTML template tags. So these are inside Django, and yeah, just like we did with the static files, what you can do is you can just write URL and then write the name that we give to this path, that is home. So inside our index.html, we can just write home. And when we click on the submit button, now it's going to go to this urls.py file, find the name home, and then it's going to look inside this views file and find the indexed function. So what we're going to do is, yeah, let's add the method over here.